Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Seek for Beauty. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a super easy hair tutorial for this amazing soft curls look that is perfect to give you a little extra style, especially when working from home. So keep watching to see the simple steps. Step 1. After washing my hair, I let them dry a little bit so they're not soaking wet, but still damp. I apply my Dermapen Keratin Smooth Shine Oil and brush them from the ends to the top. This oil smells fantastic. It's a great detangler, gives me extra shine and also controls frizziness. Then I separate my hair in 2 sections and split each section in half. I braid each section and secure with elastic bands. I prefer the braids to be loose in order to get more bouncy curls. My natural hair is something between curly and wavy, so this curling method works great for me. During these difficult times and the quarantine, one of the things that make me feel better is to style my hair, and when I'm not in the mood to blow dry them, I always go for this look. It's a super easy overnight hairstyle for curls, and it's great for work, for school, or even if you work from home but you still want to look gorgeous. Step 2. So I woke up, I did my makeup, and now it's time to take off the braids. If they're not fully dried, you can get them blow dried before taking them off. And this is what it looks like. I flip my hair upside down to shake the curls and give extra volume. Now, if you're going for a no-heat hairstyle, you can leave your hair like this. Or, if you don't want your hair on your face, you can tie the top section in a ponytail. Personally, I like to add a little extra style, so I'm going to use my Remington curling iron in just a few random pieces on the top of my hair to get extra shape, more bouncy curls and volume. You want to use a heat protection spray, so I use my Revlon Unique one. This is my favorite and smells like coconut. I only keep them for a few seconds and try to keep a space between every chunk of my hair, so this will give me a more natural, wavy look. And I like to curl these pieces away from my face.
Mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here today is evidence of that.
Having the wavy hair as a base helps you get this extra volume, and it's a very good trick that will save you not only time but also protect your hair from extra heat. This hairstyle lasts longer than my natural curls do, so even the next day I can just touch up a few chunks and still looks perfect. Once I finish with the curling iron, I flip my hair upside down to shake them, and this will help to get this loose curls hairstyle. You can leave your hair down or you can go for a ponytail hairstyle and they will both look great. Finally, I will use a hairspray to hold the curls and then a pump of my Tresemme oil once again for a silky smooth finish without frizz. I will also leave a link below for the associated post in my blog. So this is the final curly hairstyle. I hope you liked this hair tutorial, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you tried this hairstyle, and if you have any comments, please leave them below. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.